Yes, for receipt back.
Yes.
How much did it say left?
$3.93.
Huh?
$3.93.
No, it's not.
$3.93. Yes.
You sure it's $390?
Yes. $3.93.
That's good.
Can I borrow it?
So it's in my hand, right?
Yes.
Need one down.
Yes.